Aloha, this is Dr. Martina, your online sex therapist and sex educator. I am super excited to announce that I will be doing a mini workshop on female orgasm. The title of the workshop is Orgasm as You Are. There are a lot of women out there, I was one of them, who are not able to orgasm. They don't understand orgasms. They really don't know what the body offers in regards of this sexual release and how it all functions. So I decided that it's time to put this little workshop together so people, women like you, can also have the pleasure of experiencing their orgasm and can realize that it can be learned. It's not rocket science, but there is definitely some teachings behind it. There are going to be some homework for you to do. It's a limited participation on Zoom, and the details about when it's starting on May 7th and 14th and 21st, all of that will be at the end of this video. What you can look forward to is find some understanding of what it is that you are doing that is limiting you to have an orgasm. You will learn how to adjust some habitual things that you have been doing and why you need to. I'm going to understand why you need to adjust it. Sexuality is a learned activity, and so is orgasm. So I'm very much looking forward to see your participation in this, and all you have to do is sign up and show up, and I will see you there.